Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The Mercedes-AMG C63 will be the most extreme instance of cutting back we've found as of late by losing no less than 4 chambers. Indeed, the peeps from Affalterbach are said goodbye to the 4.0-liter V8 and are supplanting it with the M139 motor found in the AMG A45 models. A few major changes are altogether as the 2.0-liter 4-pot will be mounted longitudinally and its result will develop from 416 horsepower to 470 horsepower. A daintily covered model was shown this previous end of the week at the 2022 24 Hours of Nürburgring, and Autocar had the option to become familiar with a portion of the supercar's delicious specialized details. The ignition motor will cooperate with an electric engine mounted at the back hub, making a solid 201 horsepower. With the force of the two joined, the new C63 will offer an incredible 670 horsepower. Force is likewise up contrasted with its ancestor, with the mixture arrangement conveying as much as 553 pound-feet, 750 Newton-meters. As though the powertrain wasn't sufficiently convoluted, the C63 will take on gentle crossover tech with a 48-volt starter engine got from the arrangement utilized by the bigger inline-6 motor fueling the 53 vehicles. Result will be diverted to the street through a 9-speed, force converter programmed transmission. Regardless of adding a half-breed arrangement, the powertrain's weight is supposed to undermine that of the old V8 while bringing down the focal point of gravity. Dissimilar to its back tire drive just ancestor, the C63 will lead the way for AMG's new 4-modage arrangement. Spy shots have uncovered the vehicle will be joined by a more viable cart. Concerning the Roadster and convertible, these less pragmatic body styles could be converged with the two entryway forms of the cutting-edge E-Class to make the CLE, complete with AMG power. In the meantime, the new C63 is supposed to break cover in the next few weeks or months. All before that occurs, the AMG 1 hypercar will be uncovered in its creation greatness tomorrow, June 1st, as the reach-beating model from the presentation division. It will join other electric vehicles, including the GT63 SE Performance and the C43, which has changed from a V6 to a similar M1394 chamber unit.